Hi guys, I'm back with another video, and today I'm gonna be making these things. Action figure stands. Pretty basic. You need wires, M seal, and some paints. So without any further ado, let's begin. Okay, time to make the stand. You're gonna need two wires, thicker than flower making wires, weaker than actual wires, because that's gonna be a problem. Okay, it's gonna have two parts. Okay, the base and half the stand, the claw and the rest of the stand. So let's begin. First of all, it's really simple, the whole thing. So you twist this upper part, leaving a circle. Now it's tough to handle these wires, but once you get used to them, not that tough. You do this. Once you've gotten this, you create a plus shape, thus giving a shape to your wires, a structure which can later be used by the MC that you're gonna put on this. It can be as rough as you want, as untidy as you want, because later, like I said, you're gonna put MC on it. Twist the upper part up to something like this at the point which just two dangling wires, and sort of something like this, like a really messed up arrow. The rest of the wire, this is when it gets a little complicated. You take the wire, you spread it out, distribute it evenly on both sides, and then on one side you fold it up, you take it down and you twist it one more time. That creates one part of a claw. You gotta do the same thing for the other part. Till it technically looks something like this. Now you do the same what you did with this guy. You twist the wire. Now twisting the wire binds it, thus allowing it to, be one structurally sound shape instead of, dangling around, opening up all the time. That can be a real problem. Once you have something like this, intertwine them, and then you take the lower ones and twist them around the upper ones. Vice versa. Quite simple and straightforward. Now the thing that varies here in your stand and my stand, if you're making one, that's the question, is that your stand can be a different height. You can either want a stand or an action figure holder or an aerial stand which is a lot taller than the typical stand that I make. Any of them work. If you want more of a base stand which you can make people just balance, that's gonna just take one wire because it's way easier. At this point, this thing is huge, and it's actually kind of huge. I don't have a scale to measure this, but it's about as long as an average teenager's hand. That's about it. And now you take the M seal and then just put on the base. Let's begin with that part now. Okay, at this point, if you are following along, hopefully, you should have something that looks like this, but unpainted, so something like this, I guess. Advantages of this thing I mean, the thicker your base is, the better your action figure stability will be. so I can take this really high and nothing will happen. And also, the stronger and thicker your wire is, the more the durability is. It's, I can't really count the number of joints in this guy because it's a wire, kind of has a lot of them. I guess you can say it has infinite joints. Yeah, I guess you can say that. The claw on this end, that really depends on the action figure you're using. If it's an action figure I've made, the claw is about 2 inches long. That way it can easily grapple onto its waist area, or if I'm desperate, the head area. The best part is the head. It looks really cool when it's grabbing onto the head. The advantages of this thing are you can create, flying scenes of two people fighting. I'm not in the mood to find a second action figure to make PUBG Man fight with right now, so that's about it for this video. If you like this video, actually, it's gonna be weird, please hit that thumbs up button. If you didn't, dislike button is all yours. If you have any suggestions or comments or anything like that, the comment section down below is free for you to mingle on about. And also subscribe if you haven't already, and if you like what I do. This is me signing off. Bye bye.